the Christmas tree. We're gonna put the Christmas tree down there, so this way it's out of the way. Also, we're gonna be hanging up all the clothes, so we have some clothes there that we're gonna be hanging up. Also, I want you to get another one of this so that you can use this drawer for clothes, and you can put all that stuff inside here. So get another one of this. All right. So what do you think we should start off first?
Take up all the clothes off the ground, put them somewhere so we can even start to clean. We cannot clean until we take up all the clothes off the floor, put them somewhere, and then after that we can sort them out.
Yeah, because we can't clean if it's stuff on the floor. Closet is organized. All right. Here we go.